In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana, step-by-step guide for project managers, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable way to keep your project finances organized, visible, and easy to maintain. First, log into Asana and head to your workspace. We'll start fresh so you can keep budget data separate from day-to-day tasks. Create a new project. Keeping budgets in their own project gives you a single source of truth and makes reporting much easier. Give your project a clear, descriptive name that signals its purpose, like Project Alpha, Budget Tracker. Naming matters because it helps teammates instantly recognize where to add expenses and check totals. Choose your layout. A list view is great for spreadsheet-style tracking and quick summations, while board view is useful if you prefer grouping expenses into columns and moving items through stages. Pick the one that matches how your team thinks. Inside the project, create sections to mirror your cost categories. Common examples include labor, software, equipment, travel, and contingency. Sections make totals easier to scan and allow you to prioritize high-cost areas first. Next, add custom fields. Choose the number type so you can store currency values and perform calculations. Set fields such as planned budget, actual spend, and, if you like, variance. Keeping them as numbers ensures consistency and allows sorting and summing. You can also add non-number fields like vendor or status for context, but keep the key budget fields numeric. Populate those fields thoughtfully. Planned budget shows what you intended to spend. Actual spend records what was paid. Variance highlights the difference, so you see overages at a glance. If your workspace supports it, format numbers as currency for clarity. Assign each expense or budget line item to the right owner and add due dates. This keeps approvals, purchases, and reconciliations moving. Clear ownership prevents delays and makes audit trails easier. For documentation, invoices and receipts are essential. Open the task, use the attachment option, and upload the relevant files. Adding them directly to the expense item keeps everything centralized for reviews and audits. Finally, make monitoring a habit. Check the project regularly, sort by actual spend or variance, and scan sections for categories trending over budget. Update figures as payments clear, and use comments to note approvals or changes. A few minutes of upkeep each week will keep your numbers accurate and your stakeholders confident. That's your streamlined Asana budget tracker, simple, transparent, and built for real project work.